Hi everyone, welcome back to RC Pie. We're here today in just about the Peak District, I think, for a Christmas bash with, well, not a bash, Christmas crawl trail with Northwest Yorkshire and Peaks RC crawling group. We've got plenty of cars heading down this way. I'm here today with my Christmassified Gladius, so I'm sure we'll have a lot of fun. I'm sure we'll get wet, hopefully not too cold, and find a bit of action. I've not been here before, so I'm quite excited. Whoa.
It doesn't matter. Hey! Excellent.
It looked good.
Right, you got that yours didn't
No, we tried to do yesterday. We got two to distribute.
Right, is everybody back together again?
Try to start it. We'll start doing the back.
It's lunchtime. We've had a good drive this morning. The Gladius has kept up pretty well with everything, to be honest, especially considering it's got the Christmas tree strapped on its back. But I think now it's had a wash and give it another drive this afternoon, check out its capability a bit more. But so far so good, lots of fun had.
Okay? Yeah? Oh, is it gone? Why is it rolling down there now? You're trying to stop it. He's lost his snow, man.
Back out as soon as you saw that. The white card back out as soon as you saw it.
Is the idea not to be?
The foot of God.
Yeah. I thought I know if trying to slip that last little bit, I think I'd have made that bit. Won't make this bit, that's for sure. I can't get down it.
I mean, there's different ways. Thoroughly good day in this beautiful countryside. It's been a little bit wet, but not too bad. Everything's performed really well. I've got to say, I am impressed with the Gladius. It's performed really, really well. Once I got that Christmas tree off the back, you could tell the balance was there again, and you could just drive it, and it's really good. Tyres have done okay compared to other people's tyres. They've done all right. I'd still like to improve those and get a little bit more wheel weight, but no major complaints. Still, the only thing that I don't really like on that car is the speed controller, and particularly the lack of modulation when reversing. It's just boom, all or nothing, and that's quite tough when you're doing anything technical. For trailing it's no problem, but for a bit of crawling it's quite hard. So that might get changed quite soon. But overall, thumbs up for this place in Derbyshire, Padley Gorge. what a wonderful spot. I shall be back, and big thumbs up for the Gladius. I hope you've enjoyed watching. If you have, please subscribe, and we'll see you again on RC Pie. Happy crawling. Well, that just leaves one thing to do. Head to the pub.
When I've got the wrong jump and think you don't have enough power. Yeah.